And now that you're pre-approved and had that meeting with your lender, I'm going to talk to you about the 5 or 6 things to pay attention to. Not the what to do, what not to do, because they kind of splash together. So first, don't apply for new credit, which means no new debt. So don't go out and look at furniture and look at getting a line of credit from a furniture store right now. Don't deposit cash. And if you deposit checks, just keep a paper trail. Know where they came from. If a lender asks you about a check deposit, be prepared to get an image of that check. So I've actually advised people to actually make deposits of the checks. As they deposit them, it will make your life a lot easier, but don't deposit cash. Will not be accepted as counting towards your money towards closing. Don't assume paying off debt is okay. There are certain times that paying off debt is okay. It will depend on the type of debt that you are paying off and when you pay it off. So talk to us about that. Don't forget to pay your bills. If you get a notice about a parking ticket, pay it. If you get a notice from a doctor about a bill, pay it. You don't want to blow up your credit score and change the loan programs or interest rates that are going to be available to you when you go to contract on your home. That will cost you a lot more than that parking ticket ever would. Changing jobs, what's the consensus? Talk to us, because I will never tell you not to change jobs. I'll just want the paperwork, and we might need your real estate contract to be an extra week or 2 long so you get transitioned and get new pay stubs at the new job, but an offer letter really can go a long way on changing jobs. Get your down payment situated. If grandma's going to gift you money, go ahead and have her start the process of what she needs to do with her financial advisors to get it situated for you. And also, if you're going to be getting money from a 401k, make the phone call to find out how long it's going to take. And you might even want to go ahead and initiate that 401k loan if you can, to save yourself time and stress as you move through the contract. An underwriter will not issue you a final loan approval until they see you have all the funds available to close on your home. And the last thing, don't ignore our requests. If there are additional documents that we need, they'll become real-time sensitive when your final loan approval is contingent upon it. But a good lender will want that stuff situated by the time they go to the underwriters, because they'll know what the underwriters will want. And trust me, you're going to get busy and distracted because you already have everyday life. Now you're buying a home, which is one of the major life events. So these are just a few tips and tricks on what to do, what not to do, what to pay attention to as you're out there looking after you've been pre-approved, before you go into contract with your realtor on that next beautiful home. Stay with us on the path to home ownership. We'll be back with you next week to talk more about real estate contracts and a few tips and tricks to talk through with your agent to make sure you are an educated home buyer. Be well, and we'll talk to you soon.